Hey guys, so in this video we are going to do a speed test comparison between the Moto Z Play versus the Redmi 5 Plus. Both of the smartphones are having Snapdragon 625 processor, which is an octa-core CPU. Also, both of the smartphones are having 3 GB of RAM. The Redmi 5 Plus runs on MIUI 9, which is based on Android 7.1.2 Nougat, while the Moto Z Play is also having Android 7.1.1 Nougat stock Android OS. So yeah, let's see which one wins this race. So let's begin with booting up both the smartphones in 3, 2, 1. So here's the Motorola branding, here's the Mi branding. Both of the smartphones are running their latest operating systems with latest security patch. So the Moto Z Play is about to get Android 8.0 Oreo. I will do a separate test in between Android 8.0 Oreo Moto Z Play versus the Redmi 5 Plus pretty soon. So yeah, let's see which one wins this race. And the Redmi 5 Plus is clear winner here, guys, while the Moto Z Play was a little bit late. So as you can see, both of the smartphones are not having any apps running in the background. Also, both of them are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and there is no SIM card inserted. Alright, so starting with the system applications, first off, dialer in 3, 2, 1. I think both were exactly same, guys, no difference at all. Now let's open the messenger in 3, 2, 1. I think the Redmi 5 Plus was a little bit faster here. Now let's open the camera in 3, 2, 1. I think the Moto Z Play was faster. The focus was first there in the Moto Z Play, while the Redmi 5 Plus was a little bit slow. I think you guys are the one to decide. Let me know in the below comment section. Now let's open the settings in 3, 2, 1. The Moto Z Play is clear winner, guys. Moto Z Play loaded up the settings application first. Now let's open third-party games and applications. Let's start with opening social applications like Snapchat in 3, 2, 1. The Moto Z Play wins here. Let's open WhatsApp in 3, 2, 1. Moto Z Play again. Now let's open the Instagram in 3, 2, 1. Moto Z Play again wins here. Now let's open the Facebook in 3, 2, 1. And there we go. Both are exactly same, guys, no difference at all. Now let's open few games and there we will see the main results of the speed test. So let's start with opening the Angry Birds 2 in 3, 2, 1. So I think the Moto Z Play is currently winning. Yeah, let's see which one loads up the game faster. So both are logging in and you can see the screen difference, guys. So the Moto Z Play wins here in the loading test. Let's see which one starts the game fast. So the Moto Z Play wins here, guys. The Moto Z Play is the ultimate winner. Let's open Mini Militia in 3, 2, 1. And there we go. The Moto Z Play loaded up the Mini Militia first. So it wins here again. Now let's open the Subway Surfers in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so both of them are loading the game. Yeah, let's see which one wins this race. The Moto Z Play is the winner here, guys. Now let's open the Vector 2 in 3, 2, 1. So I think the Redmi 5 Plus is winning here. Yeah, both of them are generating the floor one. So the Redmi 5 Plus wins here, while the Moto Z Play is still generating the floor. And here we go. Not a huge difference, guys. So now let's do the RAM management test of both of these smartphones. Let's see which one has refreshed the applications. Alright, so let's begin with Angry Birds 2 in 3, 2, 1. So the Redmi 5 Plus has actually refreshed the application. As you can see, the RAM management seems to be pretty poor on the Redmi 5 Plus. Now let's open the Mini Militia again. And there we go, the Redmi 5 Plus is loading the mini militia again. Let's see if it loads Instagram again or not. And there we go. Let's open WhatsApp. So I think both of them have loaded WhatsApp again and Subway Surfers. So here we go, the Redmi 5 Plus has loaded the Subway Surfers again. Yeah, I'm disappointed with the performance of Redmi 5 Plus. I mean, it was not expected. The smaller brother of the Redmi 5 Plus, the Redmi Note 4, is really a great smartphone. I mean, I did a speed test comparison between the Redmi Note 4 versus the Moto Z Play, and the Redmi Note 4 won there. As you can see, the Redmi 5 Plus is having poor performance and poor RAM management. Yeah, I will be soon doing more speed test comparison between the Redmi 5 Plus versus the Moto G5s Plus, Moto G5 Plus, Redmi Note 4, Xiaomi Mi A1 and many more smartphones. So stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. I want to know your thoughts in the below comment section and peace out.